యుద్ధస్కి అయితే every child, the parents, everyone comes. Parents are the extended family. I want to welcome everyone in the press, Mr. Sankalp Amunkar, Honorable MLA of Marmungaon constituency, to take out time and to support this event. We are very fortunate to have such a beautiful location and also a facility. So we thank also the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs and Goa Swimming Association to help us put this event together. So this is the third time we are organizing this event, and this is not only for the Goan swimmers. We want to encourage people from outside to come to Goa and compete with our Goan swimmers, so that our swimmers also get to compete at the highest level. So that's how the overall standard of swimming in Goa is going to come up. Our main motive for creating this kind of events is prevention of drowning, which is we are on a coastal belt, and we every year, especially monsoons, we hear so many drowning cases. So we want to train as many people as possible. We also want to conduct workshops where awareness of how to also rescue people. Even if you're not a good swimmer, how can you rescue someone? So these is our topmost priority. The second part, what we want to focus on, is how swimming and its benefits can help each and everyone, especially our senior citizens, adults who have injuries, who cannot go to the gym, who cannot run, who cannot walk, but water is the best way one can stay fit. So we have programs for everyone at Fit for Life, and we are very fortunate that we get all the required support. And once again, I'd like to thank Mr. Amunkar for being here today. I would also like to introduce our co-founder at Fit for Life, Ms. Manika. She would also like to talk a little bit about the event.
Swimmer, it is very critical and crucial to look after their nutrition, and that is where my role comes in. This is the first time where we are having an event where all the meals that we are offering for the swimmers and the parents are prepared in-house. Nothing in the food is preserved that we've used. Everything is cooked by our own cook who we have. This is not only going to help the swimmers in enhancing their performance, but also spread awareness amongst the parents. What is the right food to give to their kids. Most of the time when events like these happen, mothers struggle to pack meals and take for their kids, take for athletes. But this time we are ensuring that that is taken care of and everything is being served here itself. So this is one step that we've taken from our side to ensure that the level of performance goes up, because as you know that this is their machine, their body is their machine, and only if it is fueled well can they perform well in the event. So this was one of the initiatives that we've taken at Fit for Life from our side.
As you know, in the Gulf countries, this is the time they get holidays. So you will see some kids taking part from even Kuwait, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. So this competition is open to everyone. There's no limit. This is basically to celebrate good level of competition. We should not get into this thing which I traditionally see, that less competition means it's good for my child. No, when we go for nationals, we don't want to go for picnics over there. We want to go and compete and win and come. That's when we get a name. There's no point being a champion in your own ward. There's no so I know I get a lot of backlash for this, but I want to see that why Goa cannot produce international level swimmers when small countries like Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago, where people like Usain Bolt and all have come, they have dominated the world. Why can't we Goans dominate the world? So this is a small step in that direction. And as I said earlier, it is not only about producing world champions. We want to have a healthy community. We want to have a fit community. We also want to make sure that we do not have issues where we are hearing our drowning cases. Unfortunately, a lot of that doesn't get reported. I just want to give you one fact. Last report that came was 2022. As per that, more than 38,000 people were reported dead due to drowning, which is approximately over 100 per day. Now, we don't really give a thought till somebody who we know or within our family drowns. But we should take it forward, and I'm really grateful to Mr. Digambar Kamath, who is also the executive committee member of World Aquatics, president of the Swimming Association, Mr. Yogiraj Kamath, and the way Mr. Sankalp Kamonkar has welcomed us with open arms, and he has extended all the support. And without all the support and also public awareness, we cannot move forward. So I would love to invite the press to come and cover both these days and see the excitement among the kids, excitement among the coaches and parents, all right, and be part of this event.
आयज म्हजे बरोबर आसा जे फावंडर जेंच्यांनी हे फिट फॉर लायफ हे टायटलाच्या अंडर जे स्टार्ट केलेले आमचो जो बॉब आनी मनिका जे आमच्या बरोबर आसा. आयज तेंचो हो जो स्विमींग इव्हेंट आसा तो आमच्या सड्या भागात हे आमच्या स्विमींग पुलाचेर जावपाचो आसा आनी हे डेट जी आसा ती 28 आनी 29 जून हे 2 दिसांक लागून हो इव्हेंट जातलो. आनी हेज्या लागून आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सायडीकसून तांकां पूर्ण पाठिंबा दिल्लो आसा, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेर्साचे डिरेक्टर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेर्स. त्याच प्रमाणे आमचे ऑल गोवा स्विमींग एसोसिएशन जेजो चेअरमॅन आसा बाब दिगंबर कामत यांचो आमकां तेंको आसा फिट फॉर लायफाक लागून. आनी तेंच्या गायडन्साच्या अंडर हो हांगा इव्हेंट जातलो. हो इव्हेंटाक इट वील बी प्रेजेंटेड बाय मोर दॅन अरावंड 300 swimmers will be coming across Goa and from other state also, for example from Karnataka, Maharashtra and other parts of the states. So it's a big event and we have got this opportunity at this swimming pool. कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसा we have a beautiful swimming pool of international level, but where it was not been utilized much. But the initiative taken by Joe and Manika, they will have this program because this is their third event. They had done the first event at Capian, second was in Ponda, and this year they are having it in Mormugao. So it is a big thing and big day for the people of Mormugao. आणि हेज्या लागून आमी सगळ्यांक इनवॉल्व करपाक लागून आमी एक प्रयत्न केलेलो आसा. आमचे सिनियर सिटीजन जावं महिला जावं आनी स्पेशली द स्टुडंट्स, स्कुलाची जी स्टुडंट्स आसता तांकां कित्याक जेन्ना एक कॉम्पिटिशन पळयतले खंय तरी तांकां तेच्या भितरसून एक प्रेरणा येतली. आनी तेज्या लागून आमी प्रिंसिपलान सुद्दां स्कुलाच्या एक लेटर केलेलें आसा रिक्वेस्टींग देम टू ते स्टुडंट्सांक हांगा पळोवपाक लागून धाडचें म्हूण हो इव्हेंट. तेज्या भितर आमचे खुबशे हायलायट जशें तुका आतां ज्यो बाबांक सांगलेलें आसा कितें ड्रावनिंगाच्या बाबतींत ते तांकां थंयसर शिकयतले, अशे खुबशे आसा. मॅडमीन जशें सांगलेलें आसा जे न्यूट्रिशन तांकां तेज्या बाबतींत. सो अशें हो इव्हेंट आसा. इव्हेंट वील बी अ ग्रँड इव्हेंट. तेज्या लागून अवेरनेस करपा लागून आनी स्पेशली आय लायक टू अपील टू द पीपल ऑफ मुर्मुगांव तालुका एंड द पीपल ऑफ गोवा, प्लीज डू कम फॉर दीस इव्हेंट. आनी हो इव्हेंट जो एक बरे भशेन ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आसा आमचो फिट फॉर लायफ हेंच्यांनी आनी तेंचे बाकीचे सगळे वांगडी. ते बरो म्हाका दिसता एक ग्रँड इव्हेंट जावपाचो आसा आनी तेज्या लागून सगळ्यांनी हेजो म्हाका दिसता हातभार लावन घेवचो. हो इव्हेंटाक लागून स्पेशली म्हाका दिसता ज्यो म्हाजे कडेन तेजे डिस्कस करतले इट वील बी द कोचीस ऑल्सो वील बी एट द नॅशनल लेवल कोचीस.
Yes.
Yeah, and plus they are that pad system will be there.
We are having touch pads.
टच पॅड कित्याक तुमी जाणा स्विमर जे आसता ते सेकंडाक लागून येता आनी मागीर ती खुबशी फॅमिली भितर आनी तेंचे पेरंट्सा भितर खंय तरी प्रॉब्लम जावपाक नाका लागून म्हणून तेंच्यांनी खुबशे इन्वेस्टमेंट करून ते टच पॅडाची सिस्टम यूज केलेली आसा. सो दीस आर द हायलायट ऑफ दीस इव्हेंट. हेजे भितर एक फेर इव्हेंट जावचो, कोणाकूच कांय प्रॉब्लम जायनासतना. हेच्या लागून तेंच्यांनी जो इनिशिएटीव घेतला आय रियली कॉंग्रेच्युलेट देम एंड आवर सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द एंटायर गव्हर्मेंट सायड, फ्रॉम द एसोसिएशन. आमचे जे गोवा स्विमींग एसोसिएशनाचो जो चेअरमॅन आसा दिगंबर बाब कामत, तेणें पर्सनली म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केलो आसा की हो एक इव्हेंट आसा तो बरो जावचो. आनी तेज्या लागून बिकॉज आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन जाता, मुर्मुगांवान जाता, साड्या भागान जाता, म्हणून हांव आमच्या आख्ख्या लोकांक अपील करता सगळ्यांनी हेजो येवन हो प्रोग्राम पळोवचो आनी आमचो फूल तेंको तांकां ऑर्गनायजेशन करपाक जो तांकां आमचो तेंको लागतलो तो फूल सपोर्ट एज अ लोकल MLA फ्रॉम दीस एरिया म्हाजो तांकां सपोर्ट आसतलो.